Hello everyone, my name is Marcelo Panizo. I am from Peru. I am Peruvian and I live in Lima. I am 20 years old. Today is my first day at this company and I am very happy to meet you. I like pizza and burgers, but I don't like fish. I love listening to pop music and I enjoy listening to rock music, but I don't. In my free time, I like playing video games and watching movies. I love going out with my friends, but I hate waking up early. I am very happy to work with you, and I hope we can have a great time together. Nice to meet you.